This is Lone Star muscle cars. They have Firefly right now. I believe the owner may be driving her because I don't see her here. He drove her the last 3 days. I know some of those burnout marks. You see those black marks? I did one, but all those others are from Ernie driving Firefly. At any rate, this is a great bunch of people. I recommend them if you have a muscle car you're interested in or you want to sell or buy, or any kind of vintage car. They are well equipped to help you. And now I wish I had Firefly back. So we will see what happens.